Curious about how to reset your BIOS settings without having to crack open your computer case? This video has got you covered. We will explore methods to reset your BIOS from within your computer operating system. No need for technical skills or hardware tinkering. Whether you are troubleshooting boot issues or just want to refresh your BIOS setting, we will guide you through the process step by step. Say goodbye to the hassle of opening up your PC. Watch, learn, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. To set the BIOS settings to default, Step 1. Restart your computer. Step 2. During the boot up process, look for a key to access the BIOS settings. Common keys include Del, F2, F10, or ESC, depending on your computer manufacturer. Step 3. Once in the BIOS menu, locate the option to load setup defaults or restore defaults. Step 4. Select this option and confirm when prompted. Step 5. Save and exit the BIOS. Your BIOS settings will now be restored to their default values.